Grab your mobile phone, click play, and watch a 30-second video and get paid for it. Now take a look at this $12, $28, $10, and so on and so forth. There's so many people making money right now. When I scroll down to the bottom of this website, look at this, there are literally hundreds and thousands of pages of real proof that people are making money on this website. And guess what all they do is just simply watching videos using their mobile phone. And don't worry, this is super easy and for beginners. This is absolutely free, you don't need any investment at all. This is available in all countries. And in this video, I will show you how to sign up for a free account, and I'll reveal the secret on which videos pay you the most amount of money. And also, I'll show you some bonus tips throughout the entire video, so make sure you watch this video until the end. And before we go into the video, can you please do me a quick favor? Go down below and like this video, that means a lot to me, and there's a red button down, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Now, go on to this website, which is GPT Planet. On this website, you can earn money by completing simple tasks online, including watching videos. And I'll show everything in this video, and this is absolutely free to join, you don't need any money. When you visit the website, you can see proof of payments. When you scroll down below, you can see that all the days, all the times, they are actually cashing out real money. All the US dollars that people are receiving by simply watching videos, and they are very transparent and showing you real proof on this website. Look at that, people from different countries that are actually making money. Now, I want you to follow every step in this video. When you go on the home page of this website, click on the orange button to register for a free account. You can see your registration and fill all the general information right here. For example, just put in your full name and a username and password. Submit your date of birth and your email on this section, and when you scroll down below, you can see payment account. You're gonna put in your account of Payeer, Bitcoin, ATM, or any other one. So they can send you the payment into your account. If you wanna get paid on other different payment method, for example, PayPal bank transfer, you can get that options once you log in into your account. Now the final step is actually the image verification. You just have to type in whatever you see on this image. And then, I've read and agreed to the terms and condition, and I'll just click on this blue register button. Next step is that once you log in into your account, you are able to find different companies where you can watch the videos and you can actually make money online. For example, PaidWords, PTC Share. These are all the company that offer you the opportunity to watch videos, and you can make a lot of money online. So make sure you stay tuned and keep watching to learn everything. I want to give you the first bonus tip, just focus on Scarlet clicks, because that's gonna pay you the most amount of money by simply watching a 30-second videos. So, once you're going to click on this, that's going to take you to these pages. This is a very interesting website, where you can just simply click on one of these small boxes, and when you click, they are going to take you to a new video. Just go in and watch the video for at least 30 seconds, and then they start crediting money into your account. Once you finish watching that video, you can just go and click on the next boxes and watch another video. So right now, I'll just have to watch another 30 seconds of this video. Once again, I'll get paid over and over again. Now, I wanna give you a second bonus tip. Whenever you come on to these websites, just click on all of these boxes at the same time, and you can watch at least 10 videos at the same time. You can do this on your phone or on your computer. Right now, as you can see here, I've opened up 3 boxes. This video is number 1, this is video number 2, and this is video number 3. And the cool thing about this website is that you can actually watch all 3 videos at the same time. You just have to click play and wait for 30 seconds. I usually mute the video, or I'll turn off the volume, and I'll just lightly play for 30 seconds. Because I don't want to watch the video, so just let it play in the background, and I can do my own things. Once you're finished watching all the videos, we can go on to the next pictures and get paid over and over again. When you scroll down, you can see here, clicks are reset daily at midnight server time. Now every single day, after midnight, they are gonna reset all the boxes, and then, they'll have new and fresh videos that you can watch again. That means, you have unlimited opportunity to make money over and over again. There are over 560 boxes in total. It meant you can watch 560 videos. So on average, some of the videos pay you $1, some of the videos pay you 20 cents, 30 cents, or sometimes 50 cents. So on average, let's assume 50 cents per videos. And that's gonna pay us $280 by just simply watching videos. And that's incredible, because you can do it over and over again, and very quickly, you can watch over 500 videos a day. Now I want to share with you another bonus top. When you click on these gear settings, you can actually change the playback speed to double. You can play the videos much faster, and that means you can watch a 30-second videos within just 15 seconds, because the speed is double. And that's allow you to earn double your money with shorter amount of time. So another thing is that, when you click on the setting buttons, and over the quality, I recommend you to turn down to the lowest quality, to 144p. And the reason is, some of you guys might have a weak internet connection, or you have a very limited data to spend. Now next, you can actually turn on multiple videos on your phone or on your computer. That way, it becomes faster to complete this task. Now, I wanna share with you a final secret on this website. Because whenever you're finished videos, 3 will take you to this secret bonus pages. When you click on this red button, you can earn extra free money, because you watched their whole video. Now when you scroll down, they pay very little, for example, 5 cents. But sometimes, if you are lucky, they even pay to you as dollars. And the more videos you watch, the higher chances you get onto the bonus page. And again, once you finish watching other videos on Scarlet Clicks, you can go ahead and go on to other companies and watch other videos as well. If you enjoyed watching, please like this video and share this out with your friends. And also, don't forget to subscribe. On your screen, you can see there are more videos and playlists that can help you to make even more money online. Just click one of these videos and watch it right now on YouTube. And you can learn more ways to make money online. And I'll see you on the next one.